So guys, these are the spices we're going to use. We've got turmeric, white pepper, smoked paprika, peri-peri salt, and all-purpose seasonings. So like peri-peri salt is already got salt in it, and all-purpose seasonings got salt. So I'm not going to add any salt, but if you want salt, you can add more, or you can also add chill powder, which I'm not going to add because the kids they're gonna have it, and they don't like chili a lot. So if you don't have this type of spices, you can always use anything you have in your house, or it depends which country you are watching from and you want to try the recipe. You can use it, you can use whatever you have. Yeah, so it's just to give it a little bit of spicy in your chicken. So this is what I have in the house, and this is what I'm going to use for today. So our ingredients will be plain flour. We have our chicken drumsticks here, nice and washed. This is our chicken drumstick, and we have 2 eggs, and then we have the spices. So let's start. Today we're going to make some KFC chicken, but I would like to call it another name because this is my way of doing it. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm going to call. So I'm gonna start by seasoning the chicken. I'm gonna use the peri-peri salt, and if you don't have it, you can use anything you have in your house, as long as you just give your chicken a little bit of a flavor. This is smoked paprika, and I'm going to use a little bit of turmeric. That's enough. And a little bit of white pepper. You can use black pepper if you want. And all-purpose seasoning. So all this, they've got enough salt. They've got salt, so I'm not going to add more salt in it because I don't take too much salt. And this is parsley, just a little bit. So this is the spices I've just used. Also add a little bit of this. That's mustard. So you can use any type of mustard, no problem. So now I'm going to mix this chicken, mixing all the spices just like this. You can hear baby's voice. It's just playing as usual. So I've just mixed my chicken with spices. Yeah, like I said, you can use anything you have in your house. It depends which country you are watching from. So you can also add some chili powder. I'm not going to add any chili powder on this one. So now I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to add 1 egg in here. Then I'll mix it. What happens? I'll have to mix it. Make sure all the chicken is covered with eggs. That's it. The next procedure is to take the chicken and dip it in the flour like this. Make sure it's all covered like that. So this chicken, I think I'm gonna call it Tassia Plus chicken. So maybe TPC. What do you think, guys? Or should I call it TCF? Tassia Chicken Fry? So this is what we're going to do now. Make sure the chicken is nice and seasoned like this, especially with the egg, so as the flour can stick on it. Can you see this? It's so fun. Guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for keep supporting me. So we're gonna do the same procedure for the whole chicken legs, all of them like this. It's so simple, guys, and then you can always enjoy this anytime. So guys, this is done. This is the chicken. It's done, all coated with flour, ready to fry. So I put this oil on earlier on just to save time. So the oil now is ready. So now I'm going to start frying the chicken. I'll put one by one. Look at this. Look at that. So this is just a sunflower oil. You can use any type of oil as long as you are able to fry it. And it has to be a deep fry. If you have any health problem like cholesterol problem or anything related to diet, you can use olive oil if you want. So we're going to cover this so as it can cook with steam at the same time, so the chicken can cook inside and it will be quicker, and it's easy way to do it. There we go. So now I'm going to turn the chicken. You can see we are already getting the results. Look at this, look at this. Can you see the color? Then we're going to cover it again. So now it's ready. Can you see that, guys? This is what we are looking for, this color. Our chicken is ready. Now I'm going to take it out one by one like this. Okay guys, our chicken is ready. Look at this. This is our chicken. So we say we're gonna call it what? TCF? TFC? Tassia fried chicken? Yeah? Should we call it that way? So look at that, guys. Look at this. We got our chicken here, and this chicken is enough for everyone, guys. Grab your piece, and I've got coleslaw and some pink sauce to go with it. So it's nice and tender and juicy. Can you see that? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all subscribers and all supporters. You've always been there for me. Okay guys, so this is it. This is it. This is the chicken. It's almost the same. You can't tell the difference between this and KFC, guys. Look at that. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm just taking some pictures for thumbnail. The food is ready to eat. You can have it with chips. You can have it on its own. So do you want me to try this? Can I open the inside? Can you see how soft it is? It's all nice and cooked. Can you see that? See how soft it is. And baby is here ready to eat. So yummy.